Did you know you can view every Medicare claim, every benefit, and your entire Medicare Summary Notice right online, no waiting for mail? Your free MyMedicare account at Medicare.gov gives you all of that in one place. In this video I'll walk you through setting it up, logging in, and using every feature that can save you money and catch billing errors before they become problems. Getting started is simple. Go to Medicare.gov and click the blue Sign In button at the top of the page. Medicare now uses a shared federal identity system. You'll sign in through either Login.gov or ID.me. Both are free, secure, federal government identity verification services. If you already have a Login.gov or ID.me account from another government site like SSA.gov or the IRS, you can use the same login. If you don't, you'll create one. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes and requires your email address, a phone number for two-factor authentication, and a government-issued photo ID to verify your identity. Here are the steps to create your account from scratch. First, go to Medicare.gov and click Sign In. Choose either Login.gov or ID.me, either one works. Create your account with your email and a strong password, then set up two-factor authentication using your phone number. After that, you'll verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your driver's license or passport and taking a quick selfie. Once your identity is verified, you'll be redirected back to Medicare.gov and your MyMedicare account will be ready. Your Medicare number links automatically, you don't need to enter it manually. Once you're logged in, let's look at what you can do. The My Claims section is one of the most useful features. You can see every claim submitted to Medicare on your behalf, broken down by what Medicare approved, what Medicare paid, and what you owe. Claims are typically posted within about 7 days of being processed. This is how you catch billing errors and potential fraud. If you see a charge for a service you didn't receive, or a date of service that doesn't match, that's a red flag. You should report to 1-800 Medicare immediately. The online claims view is updated much more frequently than the paper Medicare Summary Notice you receive in the mail. Your Medicare Summary Notice, or MSN, is essentially your Medicare explanation of benefits, a summary of all services billed to Medicare and what you owe. In the past, these arrived by paper mail every 3 months. With your online account, you can view them as soon as they're generated. They're updated much more frequently online and you can search by date, by provider, or by type of service. If you prefer paper notices, you can keep receiving them by mail. Setting up an online account doesn't automatically cancel your paper notices unless you choose to opt out. One feature people overlook is the preventive care tracker. Medicare covers many preventive screenings at no cost to you, including annual wellness visits, mammograms, colonoscopies, flu shots, bone density tests, and more. In your MyMedicare account, you can see which preventive services you've already received and when they're covered again. This is especially useful because many of these screenings are only covered once per year or once every few years, and the tracker tells you exactly when you're eligible for the next one. You can also compare drug costs and look up drug plan information from within your account. If you're enrolled in a Part D drug plan, your account shows the plan's name, your member ID, the formulary tier of your current drugs, and estimated costs. You can also link directly to Medicare's Plan Finder to compare other drug plans against yours, which is extremely useful during the annual enrollment period from October 15th to December 7th, when you can switch plans for the following year. Being able to quickly see your current drug costs right next to what other plans would charge is one of the most money-saving features on the site. One very important warning: there are fraudulent websites that imitate Medicare.gov to steal personal and financial information. Always type Medicare.gov directly into your browser rather than clicking a link in an email or text message claiming to be from Medicare. The real Medicare website always ends in .gov, not .com, .net, or anything else. Medicare will never call you unsolicited to ask for your Medicare number, social security number, or bank account information. If you receive such a call, hang up and call 1-800 Medicare to verify. If you've lost your Medicare card or need a spare to keep in your wallet, you can download and print a replacement directly from your MyMedicare account. Log in, go to the My Profile or My Account section, and look for the option to print your Medicare card. The card that prints shows your full Medicare number and your Part A and Part B coverage start dates. Keep the original card stored safely at home and carry a printed copy with you. Having it on your phone as a saved image is also acceptable at many providers. Setting up your MyMedicare account at Medicare.gov takes about 10 minutes and gives you 24/7 access to your claims, benefits, preventive care tracker, drug plan information, and a printable Medicare card. It's the single best tool for staying on top of your Medicare coverage and catching billing errors or fraud quickly. Go to Medicare.gov, click Sign In, and get your account set up today.